Hey, what's up guys? I hope everyone's doing okay today. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Been busy with work, it's a good Saturday today. I'm gonna try to run this Maximus all the way to that wall over there. Let me zoom in. You see that wall where it says do not fly over rifle range? From here to there is about, yeah, it's pretty far. It's about 300 yards. So I'm gonna try to run that over there. I'm also gonna try to lower this I forgot what this is called. This coilover. Yeah. Oops, sorry about that. Kind of lost words. So I'm gonna tighten up this coilover because this Maximus seems to bottom out a lot. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna switch it on, and then we're gonna do a long range run to see if it reaches that wall. All right, so I got the coils nice and tight. Let's see if it keeps bottoming out. And I'm standing on a picnic table so I can get maximum range. So let's do this. So I'm like about halfway now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me stop the vehicle and zoom in for you guys. All right, there it is. Can't really see it anymore. Right, there it is. It's right under the word do. Let's see if I could I'm at the wall. Amazing. And it flipped over because I ran it into the wall. Alright, so I'm gonna go get it. Alright, so I was able to get the car back, but unfortunately I have to leave the little airport because they close at 4 and it's already 4:20. So the gates are gonna be closing, but I'm gonna do the remaining of the runs right here. And mission accomplished. I was able to get 300 yards, maybe even more. So the range on this thing is excellent. There he is. Park guy is closing the gate. So yeah, let's do some runs right here in the parking lot. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's really windy right now. So if you hear a lot of wind noise, can't help you with that, sorry. Alright, let's do a quick inspection to see if all the screws are still there. That one's still there. That one's still there. This one's still there. If you guys notice, the suspension screw is starting to come off. Bottom screws are still there. So far, so good. Get the grass out. Fresh cut grass. think I might need a new steering arm. It's having a hard time steering. Yeah, so far with the tight suspension, it actually runs really good. It handles very well. I'm gonna bring it in for another inspection on the screws. And yep, that one's coming off. Man, what can I do to keep it in place? Well, that's that. So I'm gonna end this soon, because I'm already wasting a lot of time. It's already been like maybe 4 to 5 minutes. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So yeah, thanks for viewing, thanks for tuning in, and yeah, until next time, some more updates on this.